Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, if you have iPhone and you update iOS 27 developer beta version, might be this video is important for you. iOS 27 are introducing one of the tool features. Inside the tool, they are introducing extend of your image. How to use this feature, where is available, we will see detailed demonstration in this video. So now let's start. My iPhone is here. I just simply enter here in the photo section and I select here one of the photo, which photo I want extend and add these features. So look at this is the image I just simply capture here. Here is my sun image, and if I click here, three line in bottom of the screen, you can see here the tool feature. Previously here showing cleanup features, but now they are adding here tool. Inside the tool, three different options we are receiving. First one, cleanup, we already use in 27 as well. Then they are introducing extend and reframe related video I already make. You can watch this video, link is available on video description. Now we are focusing on extend. I just simply tap here. What do you mean by extend? You can extend your original pictures as you much, pitch to zoom out, and adjust the crop to add more to your sense. So look at this here, like this. Accordingly you can extend the image exactly like this. So look at this, I extend my image like this. And if I say extend, so extending your photo, this can be take a moment, wait couple of seconds to extend this picture. This one is a really impressive features they are adding, but such a features already available on Android phone if you use in Android devices. So yeah, it's really impressive features compared to as I am expecting. And this is the done. So original picture like this and extended picture like this. Zoom out, but it's more clarity, more features you are receiving after using the extend features. I add one more photo. I select as a demo point of view. This is one more photo I capture in Paris. Extend and pitch, zoom out, zoom in. So like this, I just simply do this process. And one of the important point come here, this picture I capture so long, but after extending this photo, so graphics are not disturbing anything, especially on my face. Original image I am capturing for too much distance, like 40 to 50 meters in between, but still you can see here my face clarity I am receiving really impressive. So look at this here, extend is completed, and if I zoom in, so it's really impressive photo I am receiving after extending this picture. So this is the one of the best iOS 27 are introducing in iPhone. If you have any question related on this video, you can ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.